Okay, if you heard that owl, and now that one's responding over there. Can't see him eat. Oh, and then down there's Kara barking. So all I know, Kara, we've heard you bark before. I don't know if you guys could hear that. One owl's in those trees up yonder, but pretty far away. Oh. Okay, you hear that? I don't want to move the camera too slowly. Kara, don't bark too much. I don't know. Turn your volumes up loud on your YouTube. Maybe you'll hear one or two deer, or rather owls, and maybe a dog who happened to chase a deer through the woods today. That was cool.